Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automate with MK. Today we are going to discuss about the database automation. So what is database automation? Sorry, data table. Sorry, data table activities. So what is data table? So it is like a represent of rows and columns just like an Excel. So that is the data table. So here the first activity in the data table activities is build data table. So what is build data table? So if you can see here, it creates a data table according to a specified schema. Okay. So if you're clicking here, so you can create your own data table by creating columns, headers, and as well the values you can provide here, and you can create your own data table. So I have created name, age, location. So after providing the values, you can store the value into the data table. So we all know that control plus K and we can provide that DT table. So this is about the build data table. Now coming to in order to display each line with our data table, you can use for each row in data table. So we have different for each row specified activity for data table. If you can type here data table. So here we have the for each row in data table. So you can just drag and drop here and provide our data table which was created after building data table. So here current row, it will be the default one. You can choose your own name here as well. So drag and drop a message box. So in which helps us to display our rows. So as you can see here, I have given the employees current row of zeros dot to string, and his age is current row of 1 dot to string, and he belongs to the current row of 2 string. So which means that in our data table we have current row of 0 is name, 1 is age, so location is second place. So you can start from 0 1 2. Okay. So that's about displaying. So after here I have used write range workbook activity in order to write our own data table into the Excel. So I have given the my data table dot XLSX. So which will create the Excel in the project folder. So I have given the sheet name as data, and I have provided our own data table which was built by the build data table. So just save it. So I'm going to debug it. Yeah, it was successfully ended. Let me go to the project, open file folder. So if you can see here, it is my data table. Yeah, my data table. Yeah, you can see here data, and our own data table was created here. Let me delete and rerun again. I mean debug it. Yeah, now why it was not created? It corrects. Mm. So debug file, click debug file. So there is a new option which was provided. Okay. Yeah. We are getting the display. Yeah. Better we can drag outside here. Now let me open that file where it is saved. Yeah, now it is saved. So if you can, if I'm opening this, see it was displayed here. Yeah. So that's about this video. So it's basic build data table, and we have displayed each row from the data table, and we have written those our own data into the Excel. Okay, that's about this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss each data table activities in deep. So data table. So we are going to discuss each of each of the activity under the data table activities in the next video. So don't miss it. If you are like this video and it is very helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.